when I started with Wexler, the industry and the sales process were totally different. From a sales perspective, you were in the field, on the floor with the client. Discovery meetings, demos, everything was done in person. And now we have Teams, we have Zoom, we have video conferencing, and frankly, we're able to get clients from A to Z much faster. And they frankly appreciate that because the plant managers, the director of operations, they're busy and they want to implement efficiencies as quickly as they can. From a industry standpoint, I mean, Wexler's always been sustainable. We've always said go green with banding. That's one of our hashtags. And for us, we've always tried really hard to implement those sustainable processes, but now the big companies are finally saying, yes, we want to be sustainable too. So with our True Paper and our FSC certified materials, we've really been able to implement some great sustainable processes within some of these companies. But don't forget, we've always been ahead of the game.